Hi, today we will discuss about the reusable steps in Tableau Prebuilder. If you commonly perform the same actions over and over again with your data and you want to apply these same steps in the other flows. In Tableau Prebuilder, you can select one or more flow steps or group and their associated actions or the entire flow and save it locally to your file on your computer. Or you can also publish it to a Tableau server. Let's see here I have a data and I have cleaned the data. So for this cleaning step, I have used a few things like what are the few cleaning operation which I have performed that you can see here. That is a trimming a space, calculated the field, everything. Okay, until rename field. If I want to do the same process for whatever the data which is coming in, and that data consists of these columns, okay, this default column, okay, that I can do. So how you can do that? In order to do the reusability, so right click on the flow which you're going to do, which you want to reuse it again and again. Okay, so right click on the flow, and here you can see you have a option called save steps as flow. Here you have two options, one is save a file and a second one is publish to a server. Okay, so let's say save to a file. If you click, it will ask you the file location where to save it. So you can save it with any name. Like here, it is by default cleaning data in Tableau Prep exercise 2 challenge saved steps. If you want to save it to any other name, that is, if you want to give some other name, you can give it and click save, where this step will be saved. Okay, and the second option is what? Publish to a server. So in most of the company, they wish to save it in a server. You should not save it in a local file. So if you want to save it in a server, you can give the server name. Okay, you can sign in your server, that is your, you can give the link of your server, or you can provide some credentials of the server and click connect. Okay, since I'm using a standalone system, so I cannot go with a server that is a company server, so I can go with a Tableau Online. Okay, so once if you click Tableau Online, it will try to connect it, and now it is saved in my online Tableau Online server. Got it? So this is the step which is used to reuse. Okay, you have to give the email ID and password to sign into that. Okay, so this is what this is used to. 1 minute, let me just sign in. You have to give the username and password. Okay. Okay, so it will sign in and it will save in the Tableau Online. It is signing in. So in order to create a reusable step, you have to save the step first. Okay, then once you have saved it, you can reuse it wherever you want. So I'll tell you how to use it, that is how to reuse it wherever you want. So once it will ask you like what is the description, you can give some description or simply you can click publish. Okay, so now it will publish the flow. So the flow is published. Now let us see how to reuse the already saved flow. Okay, so here you have a plus to add the step, right? So here if you click on this plus icon, so you can add the step. Here you have an option to insert a flow. Okay, so click here to insert a flow. It will ask you whether you have to insert a flow from a local file or a Tableau server. Okay, we have saved that in the Tableau server, we have saved this flow, so it is showing this flow which is saved now. Okay, or else if you want to get it from the local file, that is also possible. Okay, so click here browse and locate from where you have to get it. Okay, so click flow and click open. So now the flow is also opened here. Okay, So since there is no data which is available for this flow, that is why it's showing the error. So you can try some other flow. I'll just showing. So click insert flow and click from the Tableau server. Click select the flow which you want to insert and then click select. Okay, again it is adding a cleaning step. Okay, since it's already cleaned, it's showing like this. So you can simply use an insert flow and you can browse it from any that is the flow which you have saved anywhere. So now I'm just selecting an aggregate data. Okay, aggregate data flow here. So if I click open here, you can see that the aggregate data is open here. Okay, where we are just adding the flow to the existing flow. Fine. So in this video, we have discussed like how to create a reusable flow and how to insert the reusable flow in your Tableau prep.